Hey guys, take a minute to video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off photo memory notification on your iPhone. So you might have noticed that you might get this notification about different memories that your iPhone automatically generates and sends you a notification for. And if you don't want that notification, we'll show you how to turn it off. So it's going to be really simple. On the latest iOS version, go ahead and open up your setting of your iPhone. To open up settings, go to notification. And under notification, you're going to scroll until you find the photos option here. Click on that. Once you click on that photos app, you'll see here custom a notification or customize your notification. We'll click on that, and right here, as you can see, your memories. So in order to prevent the phone from creating those memories and sending you a notification, simply toggle that off and you'll no longer receive any more photo notification memories on your iPhone. So that's how you do it. I hope this quick little video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.